Hi, and welcome to episode 3, Why Rewarding a Mistake is a Good Idea. I recently heard a story about Bob, a PM at a local construction company. Bob's boss told me about how Bob had come to him and said, "Hey, I made a mistake that cost the company $500. Bob was trying to save money by uploading a new device that would have saved significant time on a project he was working on. It was only after the process had started did he realize that, hey, I've got a problem here with the configuration and that the new system just would not work with his current problem. Once he realized this, he immediately went to his manager and explained the situation, identified a plan of attack to correct the situation at hand, and he finally said, hey, I take full responsibility for what's happened here. His boss said, hey, it's okay, but let's talk about ways how we can minimize his mistakes and how to do a better job next time in our homework. During the next staff meeting, Bob was thanked and given a gift card for how he handled the situation. His manager told the entire story about how Bob tried to help the company and save time and money, but he ultimately failed. His manager stated that failure is not the end, and if we use sound judgment and corporate lessons learned, it will benefit the company. The simple act of rewarding failure made for an increased morale and taught every employee that they could feel comfortable trying new and different things. Hey, thanks for watching. Come back each week for new videos. Make sure to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any of our educational content.